In today's video, I will walk you through how to mute all participants in a Zoom meeting. Before you begin, make sure you're the host or a co-host of the meeting. Only hosts and co-hosts can mute all participants at the same time. If you don't see the options shown in this tutorial, you may need to ask the meeting host to make you a co-host. While you're in the meeting, look along the bottom of the Zoom window for the meeting controls. Find the Participants button and click it to open the Participants panel. On most screens, the button shows an icon with two people and the word Participants beside it. After you click it, a sidebar will appear, usually on the right side of the screen. This panel lists everyone currently in the meeting and shows which participants are muted and which ones are not. In the Participants panel, look toward the bottom for the Mute All button. Once you find it, click Mute All. After clicking the button, Zoom will display a confirmation window. This window asks you to confirm that you want to mute everyone in the meeting because the action affects all active microphones. Go ahead and confirm your choice to continue. Before confirming, you may also notice an option that controls whether participants are allowed to unmute themselves. If you want participants to remain muted until you allow them to speak, uncheck that option before confirming. If you want participants to be able to unmute themselves whenever needed, leave the option checked. Once you've made your selection, confirm the action. As soon as you confirm, everyone in the meeting will be muted. Your own microphone will remain active, so you can continue speaking, giving instructions, or presenting without interruption. If someone needs to speak later in the meeting, you can unmute that participant individually or allow them to unmute themselves, depending on the option you selected during the confirmation step. If you don't see the Participants button or the Mute All option, first make sure you're the host or a co-host of the meeting. If your Zoom window is very small, expand it and check the meeting controls again. You can also make sure your Zoom app is up to date if the option still doesn't appear. The process is simple. Open the Participants panel, click Mute All, review the option that allows participants to unmute themselves if it's available, and then confirm your choice. Once that's done, all participant microphones are muted, while your own audio stays active so you can continue leading the meeting. If anyone needs to speak later, you can either unmute them individually or let them unmute themselves, depending on the setting you selected during confirmation. And that's all there is to muting all participants in a Zoom meeting. Thank you for watching.